High-wind desert environments present unique challenges to survivalists with their unpredictable weather conditions and harsh landscapes. Expert outdoor professionals emphasize the importance of constructing wind-resistant shelters using available natural materials like sand dunes and sparse foliage for stabilization. Skills in tracking shifting wind patterns and establishing compact, secure campsites are essential to avoid being swept away or buried by sand. Hydration management becomes vital, necessitating techniques for conserving moisture and locating hidden water sources typically overlooked by passersby. Additionally, seasoned adventurers must demonstrate proficiency in desert navigation by utilizing sun shadows and natural markers, ensuring precise travel under extreme duress. These adaptable skills empower desert explorers to face high-wind scenarios head-on, grounded in resilience and informed strategies.